How to unhide threads badge on Instagram. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Have you hidden your threads badge from Instagram and now want to unhide it but don't know how? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Instagram on your device. You will land on its official homepage. Tap on the circle with your profile picture at the bottom. Then your Instagram profile will open up. As you can see, the threads badge isn't visible on my Instagram profile because it is currently hidden. To unhide it on your Instagram profile, simply tap on the edit profile button. At the very bottom, you will see an option for show threads badge. Since this feature was turned off, the threads badge remained hidden. Please keep in mind that once you turn on this feature, the threads badge will appear on your Instagram profile and your Instagram badge will also become visible on your threads profile. With that said, toggle on the button for show threads badge. Once turned on, tap on the back arrow at the top. And there you have it. You have successfully unhidden the threads badge on your Instagram profile. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.